NIPI, National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, situated in Srinagar. And we have 7 centers within our services in Australia. So here in this international Fest 2025, and we have got multi-sensory sensory music zone. This is an inclusive sensory meditation zone, which is basically for all of you, for everyone, whether you are a neurodivergent individual or a neurotypical one. This is your zone. If you have some kind of hypersensitivity or you are overwhelmed with the entire atmosphere of so much of sensory bombardment outside, this is your place to come to rejuvenate and get restored. So here in this zone, we have tried to bring in all the activities that stimulate our 7 senses all together. And by the word, if I say stimulation, it does not just mean to be aroused. It means that all the sensory stimuli, your all sensations should be at the optimal level to make you able to perform in the day you choose. So here we have a lot of equipment which give you tactile sensations, give you opportunity to play and explore vestibular, proprioceptive, balance and coordination activities to let you perceive the world through your own country, and this really means the entire ambience of darkness inside with a cool temperature, a soothing aroma and soothing music in the background prepares you to delve into the sensory heaven where you are ready to rejuvenate and restore yourself. As you can see, we start the tour of this multi-sensory zone by a sensory pathway, which gives you the textures, the good textures, mobility from soft to crude to hard, to experience, to perceive, and to maintain your balance and have a rejuvenating experience. You can see some whirlpool where the children, especially with hypersensitivities, can delve in, can submerge and have a calming effect. Alongside, we have bubble tube here, which the color of the water, the bubbling effect you can alter to calm down the children, to promote better focus, as well as you can alter the flashiness to promote it into a generation of more activity or arousal level. You have this board where you can alter it into a white light mode or different fluctuating flashlights depending upon which modality you want to set it. We have brought in some sets of vestibular and coordination activities. As you can see, we have some hopscotch, we have hopping ball with us, we have trampoline across here. A small calming zone has also been created along with optic fibers, which has been suspended over the green bag in a comfortable portable massage chair, which stimulates the paraspinal and core muscles to promote more calmness into you. You have multi-texture gel-filled various tiles as a pathway. You can embed it on the floor or you can fix it on the walls to give you an intensified feeling of touch and pressure. Alongside, you can see some gel-based fillets suspended on the illuminated board where people with visual impairment and others also in the dark room can perceive. It acts as a good stress buster, whereas the same gel, the perception of the contrast of the gel can be used to promote learning, like displace the gel and learn how to make a 7. So alongside you are getting calmed down and the learning is also promoted. You can see a miniature touch wall where with the human touch the color gets activated, and the more and more you explore for that particular amount of time, and even the time is increasing where the child reduces the fidgetity, reduces the restlessness and can be with us to participate. This is how we promote better focus and we promote better participation in the functional activities with us. This can be merged with the touch sensitive hexagon lights. You can again suspend it on the table or you can put it on the wall, you can mount it on the wall, give a color target to the child, and the child can then show better command following and can give you the desired color. While he or she is performing, he has to be stable, he has to be in a calm down mode for better performance with you. You can change the mode into a flashy mode. So if the color keeps on changing constantly, whenever I'm given a point of time, your target color appears. Let us say I have given your target to point out red. So whenever the red will be flashed, you will count, you will track, and you will clap on my hand. So this is how we promote participation, we promote better focus, we promote better intellectual abilities, better perception, visual tracking, and overall a sense of better involvement into your daily activities, be it education, be it any task of your daily schedule. We have also brought some Montessori performance structure. These are the modes of soothing aroma and soothing music at the background which you are sensing in this world of sensory zone. And this Montessori, you can see that for younger children in the elementary age, they also need to have some experience to their young age, which involves cognitive perceptual abilities and different performance, including tactile, including pressure, and some normal problem-solving abilities to also. The other part also includes some basic simple training in the daily activities like of zipping, of velcro, of breathing, of counting, of color concept, and a piece which involves generating a scene of OSS by picking up the suitable blocks and fixing into the desirable grooves. So, as you can see, all the activities are having one or the other sensation in the middle as a focus, but it involves other sensations to play along so that you can perform better. Over the other counter, you can see how the people with visual impairment, with the sense of their feeling, the touch and taste and the smell, can perceive their daily life.
ये स्क्रीन हो रहा है सर रहता जा रहा है
Blindfolded and given experience with touch, smell, listen to different stimuli and perform accordingly.
ये क्या साउंड है
And then everybody is able to perform to the best of their abilities. They are given a reward which they have to consume, and then they have to get their way out the way they have entered. They have to play their visual memory in the mind, and they have to find a way out again. So this is just not a calming zone. It's a zone based on to rejuvenate all your senses, to perform better, and keep it the other part of the day.
स्टेशन पे है चलिए
I'll give you
आपके एनएमएस से है क्या सीहोर अच्छा अच्छा हम लोग देहरादून से हैं एनआईडी
कल सर मिले थे मैं आया के विजिट करके तो गई थी बट मुझे एक्सपीरियंस करना था
Is it a fruit? Or is it a vegetable? Looks like a vegetable. Okay. But it's a fruit. It looks like a fruit. Any hint? It's used in curries, in salads, also in ketchup. Yes. Tomato, that's right. Which fruit is this? That we call piso or something. Sorry? Yes, that's right. Go. This one now I will give you something to smell. You got to smell and tell me what it is. Smell. Don't shake the bottle. Smell.
बट खाला तो गुड दिया
Do you have to name the smell? Yeah. Name what is it? It's a food ingredient. Like a beverage. Masala something like that.
किचन में गए नहीं गए आप लोग
बहुत बार गए हो लेकिन
देखिए आप विजुअल सेंस पे कितना डिपेंड करता है आपका बाकी जो रिमेनिंग चीजें वो कोई इंफॉर्मेशन ले ही नहीं पा रहा है
Nigel proved my important and felt it like it was tomato.
बहुत बार मतलब स्मेल मतलब
सुबह से चाय किया है आपने आज
हाँ tea powder. Yes, that's right. It's tea powder. Okay.
Filled with right.
Down that. Now I'll give you a spice. Okay. Smell and tell me what it is. Garam masala. No. It's good for digestion.
आज वाइन पीते हैं
Like we call body shape or something.
आज वाइन पीते हैं चलिए
It's ajwain. Yes.
आज वाइन पीते हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग
Also known as bishop's
स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है
Also known as bishop's wheel. Okay. Now I will give you a lock and a set of keys. Okay. So you have to identify which is the right key and open the door.
पहला एग्जाम पास हो गया आपका
Wow.
वाह
Amazing. You opened it in first line. Okay. Now it's reward time. So I'm going to place a basket in front of you. Explore the basket first, and then pick whatever you like from here. Can I just explain? Sure.
okay no
Yeah.
okay fine yeah.
Pick any one thing that you like,
and have it
and you have to eat it over here.
I have to name this
No, pick it up and you have to eat it.
I have to eat this
Yes, you have to eat that.
like so chocolate
You have to name it.
like a chocolate
You need to eat it and tell me what it is.
smells like it
That's right.
it's Cadbury
Yes. Yeah, eat it.
like a cake something
Yes, it's a cake.
Cadbury cake
That's right. Eat it. Eat it.
correct
Yeah, that's right.
yes yes
So finish it. Once you finish it, you have another task. Okay. Now your friend will install you the dustbin. Okay. So you go to the dustbin and bin the wrapper.
Take the right. Walk straight. Take left. Walk straight. Walk straight now.
okay
Take right.
right
Yes. On the left, take your garbage in your left hand. Yeah. Now take your left hand little in front. Little in front. Move in front. On your left. More left. Not to it. No. On your little in front. Little towards and more in front. Good. Yeah. Atta ude. Good. Yeah.
100%
Then garbage nothing wait. Second hand. Yeah. Two. Yeah.
100%
100%.
Now you can ask.